Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Here we will do another cheap and easy meal. So we have instant noodle. I already turned on the fire, and I have the chicken drumstick the other day I made during the weekend, and I want to eat some vegetables. So cut vegetable. That should be sufficient for me. Oh, I enjoy cutting. This is too big. We can get rid of this. It does not have to be perfect, so because it's me, I am never perfect. Okay, so what do? We put in the vegetable. Okay. Now time to say hello. Okay. Let me fix. Time to say hello. Hello. Mustard seed. A little bit. Hello. Does it give extra flavor? I don't think so. Hello, but they do give a lot of friendship by just coming here to say hello. Salt, cumin seed, bye. Is that necessary? Not at all. Cumin seed, not at all. Hello. Pepper, is that necessary? Not so much. But greeting, say hello, is an absolute must, right? Hello. A little bit. We can put some chicken. I am boiling some water. It's not so necessary. Without boiling water, it's equally fine. And you can put some of the sauce in, make it more delicious. Noodle. Buy the cheapest noodle. I do not think we need this soup base. So we leave the soup base aside. Sometimes in the middle of the night, you are just having a craving for for something, and you are running out of noodles. You still have soup base. That can save you. A little bit of mirin doesn't hurt. Why I use so much mirin? Because you see this bottle, it's too big. I cannot put into my cupboard, so I want to finish it quickly. So you can see this is a cupboard, and you put a layer in, and it's just there. So I want to finish, and next time I buy the right size of bottle. So let it cook. 5 minutes will be good. So this is how I cook. During the weekend, when I have some time, I cook a lot and then portion it into different days. In the middle of the night, I want to have some soup. Just get a stick, get a spoon of soup base, my own soup base, miso paste or something like it, and will become so much easier. That one back into refrigerator. Everything put back into place. And this big chunky part of vegetable, this one you can just throw away, but this kind of leaves you can make a soup with. And it will be quite delicious. Boiling. If you do not have a kettle to boil the water, use cold water. Is not wrong. Doesn't mean that you are not good. You are wrong. You are not wrong. You have electric kettle, make some hot water, good for you. If you do not have, do not worry about it. That is it. And if you have some chicken stock, vegetable stock, some soup stock, it will be even better, right? Let me open the door. It's too hot. That is about good. We have eggplant here. We have a soup here, and it takes me something like 20-30 minutes. It's rewinding my brain, and otherwise I will just think about this and think about that, and stress out because I didn't do things. With this, it's very relaxing. My family say this also. Cooking is relaxing. When he is not in a good mood, he cooks, so that he will adjust his mindset. Clean up the table and clean up the workspace. A zucchini add in will make it more delicious. A carrot will add in will make it more colorful. Add any vegetable you have available, not because you copy a recipe and you go to store to buy. I think most of us have some vegetables at home and something. If you like it a little bit spicy, so this one is chirasa with soya sauce. Put a little bit of it. It's almost the same flavor. See, see the sauce is all absorbed by the noodles, and let it cool down a couple of minutes. It will keep on absorbing, and you will get a moist noodle, not so much soup in it, and all the flavor is like glued inside, and that is it. Bon appetito. Let's take a look. How did I do the chicken? Soya sauce, spice, marinate overnight or longer time, and then the next day boil it in its own juice, and add some wine, some Coca-Cola, some Pepsi, all the hot, all the fast food drinks that you want to throw away and you do not want to throw to the sink, throw to your stomach. That is it. Bon appetito. That's it. Look at it. A little bit of juice, reduce it until it's not too much. Just perfect. Oh, I love myself. Bye bye, 夫人. Let's take a look here.